In exercise number 9, we're going to construct a pentagon with a diameter of 2 inches, and this is inscribed, so inside the circle. There are a lot of instructions for number 9. Make sure you're just reading one at a time. It's way too confusing to read down through all 6, so just start with your first direction there. We're going to begin by centering this in our workspace and drawing a nice light 2-inch circle in the center of our workspace. So again, with my 2H pencil, nice light guideline to locate the center of my workspace. You're going to need a horizontal line through that center point, and then we're going to lay out the radius of our circle. We want a 2-inch diameter, so we're going to lay out a 1-inch radius. Always making sure we check to make sure it strikes through that point. And then we are doing a nice light guideline, because remember, we're drawing a pentagon. The circle is just there for layout. Now, looking at our instructions, our first step, we have to get point C here. We already have A and B, and I'll label these on here for you. So we have point A, point B. Now I need to get point C. So again, I'm going to hook my pencil in the mark made by the compass so that I am compensating for the width of my pencil, and then I'm going to locate that as point C, and this is point O. The next step is to find D. We are bisecting the line OB, so we have line OB here. Bisect means to cut it in half to find the middle. We're going to use our compass to bisect it, so that's what this little football shape is here. So we're going to set our compass into O, and I'm going to set my compass just beyond halfway, and this is kind of a guess, and I'm going to swing a light arc with center point O without changing the compass size. I'm going to put that now in B, and I'm going to swing the same arc, and when I complete the line between these 2 points, it's going to bisect point OB for me. So that gives me point D. Now that I have D, we're going to draw radius DC. So D is the center point, and we're going to set our compass up to C, and we're going to swing down here to get point E. So very carefully, make sure you have that perfect, and you're going to swing up there. You're going to make sure this swings through C, make sure it looks really good, and then you're going to swing that arc in there. That gives me point E. Our next step is with center C and radius CE. So now we're going to reset our compass from C to E. You're going to swing out and you're going to locate point F. So that's the first point on the pentagon. Now, where a lot of people mess up here is CD is very close in length to CE, but it's a little bit of a change. So you're going to put your point in C. You're going to reset it so it swings right through the mark, and really check this one. And you're going to swing this out until you get point F. The last step, it tells us to step off chord CF. So this will be chord CF when I draw this in. Step off means you're going to take your compass and you're going to kind of walk it around the circle here. So I'm going to make sure this didn't move. And then I'm going to take the point from C, I'm going to put it in F. I'm going to walk it to the next point, and then I'm going to put the point in that. And just continue to walk my way around that circle. And we hope we meet up pretty close at the top. I am off by just a little bit, and that is okay here. If you're off by a considerable amount, you want to go back through and step that off. I also have a set of dividers. The dividers have a point on both ends. That makes it easy to check your work, because you can simply take those and walk those around if you're having difficulty. And I'll keep these up here at the demo table. Your last step is to take your triangle and your mechanical pencil and complete the figure. And again, I do want to see your layout work here. You can leave your labels in all of your layout lines.